Perfect your understanding of abdominal anatomy with this essential question and answer guide. The complex organs contained within the abdomen play integral roles in digestion, metabolism, fluid balance, and immunity. Mastery of abdominal anatomy is crucial for medical students and clinicians specializing in this complex bodily region. In this book, Dr. Atef Ahmed draws on his extensive teaching experience to deliver 100 expertly crafted questions and answers covering all essential topics in abdominal anatomy. The high-yield questions and answers format facilitates retention and self-testing on core concepts like the anatomical divisions and functions of the peritoneum, the major gastrointestinal organs and their vasculature, the liver and biliary system, the pancreatic ductal anatomy and arterial supply, the kidneys, adrenal glands, and ureters, abdominal vasculature including the portal venous system, lymphatic drainage pathways, and lymph nodes. Concise yet comprehensive explanations clarify challenging topics and provide clinical insights. Whether you are currently enrolled in an anatomy course or desire a refresher guide on abdominal anatomy, this book provides the essential knowledge and practice you need to master this vital bodily region. The questions and answers format also makes it easy to quickly look up topics during clinical rounds. A must-have resource for all medical students, general surgery residents, radiologists, gastroenterologists, and other specialists who require expert anatomical knowledge of the abdomen. Get your copy now from Amazon at low price.